Holiday season means one thing: figuring out how to look fabulous with a suitcase that's somehow always just a bit too small. But we're here to solve the eternal struggle, packing the perfect shoes that give you style options without sacrificing suitcase space. Ready to see what versatile designer shoes will have you covered from beach days to festive nights out? Let's dive in and find the shoes that'll have you jet-setting like a pro. First stop, Gucci Ace sneakers, the all-day, all-play pair. Let's be real, no vacation is complete without that perfect pair of sneakers, and Gucci's Ace sneakers are our #1 pick. You can dress them up, dress them down. Honestly, you could practically wear these with pajamas and still look chic. These are your sightseeing, cafe hopping, accidentally straying into the luxury boutiques kind of shoes. And the best part? They're lightweight, so they won't eat up your luggage space. From the classic white to the versions with gorgeous embroidered designs, these versatile sneakers have been spotted on multiple stars, proving they're as stylish as they are iconic. Keep these in mind because, trust me, they'll be lifesavers for those endless holiday strolls. Chanel Ballet Flats, elegance you can fold. Now, for those evenings when you're not trekking miles but still want to bring on the class, Chanel's Ballet Flats are your best friend. These beauties are basically the passport to looking effortlessly chic wherever you go. They fold up like a dream, so no, they're not hogging suitcase space either. Pair them with a cute sundress for dinner, or slip them on with jeans for an effortlessly French vibe. Did I mention you're channeling Coco herself with these flats? Oh, you're going places! Next stop. Hermes Oran Sandals, beach to dinner in one step. If you're heading somewhere warm, then let me introduce you to the Hermes Oran Sandals, the ultimate I'm on holiday and loving it vibe. These iconic slides are simple, chic, and the perfect blend of minimal and luxurious with that H cut out. Bonus points? They pack completely flat, which means you can slip them into even the tiniest suitcase pocket. Rock them at the beach, wear them to lunch, or slide them on for a casual dinner. The Orans do it all with effortless flair. Saint Laurent Tribute Sandals, the party starter. We couldn't leave out a pair of heels, could we? Enter the Saint Laurent Tribute Sandals, the heels that are here to take you from casual dinners to glamorous nights out without missing a beat. With a sky-high stiletto and iconic platform, these Saint Laurent Tribute Sandals give you all the height and elegance without sacrificing stability. Perfect for turning heads and making a statement, these heels are for when you're ready to stand tall and own the room. They're classic and guaranteed to add a dash of glamour to any evening outfit. Prada Monolith boots, for all you snow queens. If you're heading to colder climates, Prada's Monolith boots are the way to go. These boots mean business, waterproof, stylish, and with just the right amount of edge to make any outfit look street-style ready. And they'll work anywhere from a cozy winter market to a snowy mountain stroll. Boots are a packing commitment, sure, but Prada's Monoliths make it worth every inch. Style, warmth, and durability all in one. Wear them at the airport instead of packing them. They're sturdy enough for the journey and will save you precious suitcase space. Plus, you'll be ready to step off the plane looking effortlessly stylish. Tieks foldable flats, style that folds to fit. These aren't just any flats. These are the flats that can fold up and disappear into the smallest space in your suitcase. Imagine yourself strolling through local markets or lounging at the cafe. You're not missing a beat in these. Available in a range of colors and soft leather, these foldable flats are ideal for quick switches when you want to go from glam to casual in seconds. Keep them handy, because they're the secret weapon every traveler needs. Bottega Veneta's Lido Mules. These mules bring effortless elegance and are easy to slide on and off. They work for everything from a casual brunch to a dressier evening out. The Lido mules are also flat pack friendly, taking up minimal space. Choose a neutral or metallic shade to make them versatile for different outfits. Castaners wedge. Espadrilles. Espadrilles aren't just a summer must-have, they're a royal holiday staple. Both Kate Middleton and Meghan Markle have been spotted in these chic, laid-back shoes on multiple occasions, making them the ultimate choice for a casual yet polished vacation look. Castaners wedge espadrilles are lightweight, easy to pack, and add a hint of height without the discomfort of traditional heels. When the royals choose espadrilles, you know they're packing serious style and comfort into their holiday wardrobes. Valentino Garavani rock stud flip-flops. If your holiday calls for a beach destination, why not elevate your flip-flop game? Valentino's rock stud flip-flops are comfortable and stylish, adding a bit of glam to a beach outfit. They're lightweight, space-saving, and add a designer touch to your casual holiday looks. Common projects, slip-on sneakers. For those who prefer a casual and comfortable option, slip-on sneakers like Common Projects are perfect for slipping on and off at airports or during city strolls. With a sleek, minimalist design, these sneakers add luxury to your relaxed looks and pack easily. Each of these styles enhances your holiday wardrobe with options for various occasions while staying chic, versatile, and suitcase-friendly. From beach days to city nights, you'll be set to strut your style all vacation long without any packing drama. So pack smart, stay stylish, and may your holiday be filled with fabulous footwear moments.